It's like I can't walk on the sea.
Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Myfirstwig. Once again, this is today's packaging. So this is the wig on the inside and everything that I got. A little goodie bag. I got a rat tail comb as well. So let's go ahead and get into this drawstring bag. I got a pair of wig caps and the wig, of course. What I'm working with here is a 12-inch silky straight bob. As you can see, it's highlighted, and it is a 13x6 lace front. Okay, it has more of the depth in the middle though. It has a drawstring in the back. It has 3 combs in the cap. Everything is pre-plucked and just pre-done for you. It's pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-cut, and it's a super secure wig for a beginner. You know, it is flawlessly constructed. I love the color job. It is perfect. It's screaming summertime, so that's a plus. I'm just showing you guys how to pretty much adjust your elastic band on the inside. This is what I used to go ahead and slip the wig over my head and get everything in place. Very straightforward and very beginner friendly. This is how it looks once I go ahead and slip it on. Now what I'd like to highlight with today's wig is that it's the perfect way to protect your edges. As you can see, I'm just cutting away the excess around my ear there because it was a little bit longer in that area, so I needed to get that to fit. This is a glueless install, and I must say this is the #1 way to protect your edges. Like if you want to explore wearing a wig but you don't want the glue and all that stuff, this is your wig. Okay, as you can see, I just applied some lace melt spray here just to keep the sides down, and then I proceeded to show you guys how to secure the back of the wig so that the entire cap will be secure. I went ahead and adjusted the drawstring, and then for the smaller knob I used that to lock the bigger knob in place, and then I just took away the rest of the string so we can conceal that. Very easy, and this makes the wig super secure on the head without the use of any glue whatsoever. Now as you can see, the line, the parting is a little lean, but I did go ahead and fix that in a few. But I must say, you can feel free to go ahead and get a wig like this and don't have to be worrying that, okay, I'm gonna go edgeless. I think that's great. It's a great way to just explore wearing wigs but still being able to keep your edges. So I would 10 out of 10 recommend a glueless wig like this. As you can see right here, I'm just pretty much getting the top very laid with my hot comb and my wax stick, and you can just take your time to do this. What I did was really get the top nice and flat. You know, you guys know I always love when my wigs are nicely laid, because the more laid it is, for me personally, I feel like it looks more realistic, not so wiggy. And then I did go in afterwards to re-straighten the hair just so that we have a super sleek look. I mean, if you don't want to go super sleek, you could go ahead and probably opt to wear it as is to have a more natural straight vibe, but I did go in and flat iron the entire wig, and it was very easy, very to the point.
Stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heart be needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh, you take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Yeah, you take me higher, baby.
You guys see how easy this is. Like, it's not much to it. Anybody can go ahead and install this wig. You don't need to go to the salon to get it done. And it looks very nice and professional, so I absolutely love that. You guys know the drill. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig down below in my description box. All the specifications will be listed, all the necessary information. If there are any discount code or any, you know, probably deals that's going on, it will be listed down below. Myfirstwig, you did a great job with today's wig. I cannot complain. It wasn't even a lot of shedding, and the hair texture felt nice and silky, so that I absolutely love. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. The wig is also very secure in my head. Yeah man, it go on with itself. Absolutely love it. As you can see, I was feeling it, and I was showing you guys that yes indeed it's still very much glueless. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. I hope you guys found this informative. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Yeah, let's get into the bob season the right way. So yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.